guys, welcome back to my channel. So I took a recent Instagram poll, Twitter poll, and asked if you guys wanted to see my makeup collection, and the majority of you said yes, so that is what we're starting today. I'm in a weird mood. No, wow, I made it this long without lipstick on my teeth. So we're gonna start on one of my drawers. I recently went through my makeup drawers and really organized everything because I didn't want you guys to see the state that it was in. Now, my makeup collection is not near as much as most beauty gurus, and that is because I am a very frugal buyer when it comes to my things. It's borderline bad. However, it is really growing, and soon I'm probably gonna run out of room. I'm gonna need to buy some more organizers. I'm kind of excited about that. But it's like, I watch makeup collection videos. Kathleen Lyfe are like my favorite to watch. And I find so many things that I want to buy. That's why I love these type of videos, because it's a really nice way to see all of the products at once and hear about why that person likes those products and what they've done for that person and what makes them special and, you know, makes them hold on to it. And I always have like a running list of things that I want to purchase. And I just watched Kathleen Lyfe's blush collection video, and I bought like 3 of the blushes that she recommended. I already had some. I have a weird blush obsession. Who knew? Who knew? Anyways, so we are going to start with the first drawer that I have. It is my, mostly like my lip drawer, and there might be some other things in there, but we're going to talk about the lips. So it's going to be liquid lipsticks and lipsticks all together. I'm not going to swatch all of them. I am going to break down some, like my ColourPop collection is going to be just totally separate. So I'll tell you and show you, hey, I have these, but I have a lot of them. Didn't realize that I had that many until I organized yesterday. And I definitely think it might be worthwhile just to dedicate its own video. So without further ado, let's get into the actual video and I will stop rambling. Okay, so here are my makeup drawers. There's more, they're just further down. But here's the drawer we're going through today. So these little totes, I just got on Amazon. Don't really remember what they were called, or I don't know what you're doing right there. However, I bought them off of Amazon. I'll try and find them and link them. So I have my high-end liquid lips right here and my more drugstore liquid lips right here. This section is all ColourPop. And then this right here is my lipsticks. Now, a lot of my lipsticks stay on my vanity in my little organizer that I have, just because I think that it looks cute. Literally no other reason. And this little guy right here is from Milani. It is their Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub. Love this stuff. It's great. I recommend. So let's go ahead and start with the lipstick category, and I'm just going to go through these very, very quickly and talk about it. I gotta lean right here. I hope that's fine with you guys. Okay, so this one is from, I say Doucce because I don't know how to say it, but it's really, really, really red, and the main reason I keep it is I do like it. I just always forget to use it for some reason, but I just really enjoy the packaging. I have issues. This one is from Tarte. It is their Rainforest lipsticks. It is in the shade Salt Life. Oh, help if we're in frame. And this is one of my absolute favorite lipstick. It is just a beautiful nudie mauve color that is just so gorgeous. I love it. I have a lot of mini ones. Please don't kill me. This one is from L'Oreal. It is one of their new Lip Shine lipsticks. This is in the shade Enamel Red. I haven't actually used this, but I like the way that it swatches, so I wanted to give her a chance, you know. Wanted to give her some chances. I also did a recent oh my gosh. I did a declutter, and that will be coming up soon on my channel. Just an FYI, and I talk about some lipsticks as well. So this is from Laga, whatever, Cloud Lips, and it is so freaking pretty. I did not expect it to be that light, just by based how it looks in the, you know, thing. What is this called? But I really like it, and it looks 10 times better with a lip liner underneath it. This is from Bite Beauty. It is in the shade Brioche. I freaking love this color. It's a really pretty mauve-y color too. This right here is from Bite Beauty as well. It is in the shade Rhubarb. It's a really, really nice, pretty like pinky mauve-y color that I just really enjoy. It's hard to see. It's really nice. It's next to Salt Lyfe, if you can tell. It's really hard for me to see my viewfinder right now, so I'm not really sure what you're saying. I'm hoping it's good. This is from Makeup Forever. It is a lipstick in the shade Artist Rogue. Another pretty mauve color. Do you see a theme? This is just... it's gone. What happened? This is from ColourPop. It is called Glam Bag. It is a lippy stick. You wouldn't think I would like this color, but I really do. I'll talk about it in the another video. This is from Mellow Cosmetics. It's in the shade Nude. It is just the perfect mauve-y nude, in my opinion. It's absolutely one of my go-tos when I just don't know how to complete a look. I wear this one a lot. This is Sugar. It's from the Fresh line. It is one of their chapsticks, and this does a really nice job making my lips not chapped. It actually, it puts some color on there, which I'm not really a fan of, but I normally wipe it off beforehand. So this is from MAC, and it is one of the Rihanna shades. It's in the shade Viva Glam. She melted. Oh no, she broke! Okay, we're gonna put her back because I want to kind of like melt it down and put it in this little thing that I have, and I'm a mess. But it is a very pretty color, and that's why I'm holding on to it. This is another ColourPop lippy stick in the shade Beauty. Right here. I'll talk about that in another video. This is from Smashbox. It is the shade Legendary. Can you tell? I like mauves and I like reds. What can I say? You know, I need to start using that one more. Definitely, you know, figure out how I feel about it. This is from MAC. It is in the shade Cyber Mom. You can tell how much I've loved this. And I've had this forever. But it is one of my favorite dark lips in the entire world. I have the, oh, this is just called Cyber. Sorry, my bad. I have the liquid, oh my gosh, I have the lip liner, and it's in the shade Night Moth. That's why I get it confused sometimes. I know Moth and Mom are not the same. But it is seriously just the best. I freaking love it. Here's another little Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipstick in the shade Island Life. They are different for sure, but definitely pretty, and I love these lipsticks. They feel really great on the lips. And we don't need to talk about that because I have two of them. I need to get rid of one. Come on, Danielle. So that took forever, so I think I'm just going to do lipsticks. So that's awkward. And that is everything for this video. If you like these types of videos and want to see more of them, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you've used any of those products that you absolutely love as well, or if there's something that you think that I need to add to my ever-growing collection of lipsticks, because I have too many, but I want more. Too many is not a phrase in my vocabulary. If you could, please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so you'll be notified every single time that I post. Follow me on all of my social medias. The links are in the description box down below. The handles are on the screen. You guys know the drill. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys!